as you can probably see, I do not know how to weld. This did not go like I wanted to, but I'm not looking forward to the rest of them. Hi, welcome back. I think tonight we're gonna weld. Gonna mainly try to get this area where this brace comes so we can put the kick panel on it, but I'll be attacking this right through here and maybe try attacking this back part a little bit to see where we get. Other than that, I don't think we're doing much. Just gonna try my best to get that stuck and then kind of ground down so we can put the kick panel back up there and we can start attaching it to the body and welding on it too. So I think this will start my welding adventure on the Bronco. Like I said before, we got a bunch of holes to fill. I guess that about sums it up. Next few videos probably just be welding. That's all I plan to do. I'm gonna check my measurements from time to time, make sure nothing's twisted or anything. Just make sure I get this one right. I mean, it's really close right now, so I think we're good. I think when I start welding on the brace, I may push down just a little bit and tack. There shouldn't be that much give with those screws in, but I mean, you never know. But do that, and I think this back brace is pretty good where it is. I know last time I was trying to push it down to make it level front to back, and it popped and dropped. But I think with those screws in there and then welding it, it should keep it solid. But anyways, I'll take you over there and I'll kind of go a little more detail of what I plan on doing this evening. Probably be a short video, just fair warning. You know, I like to weld. I don't know really how to weld that well, so we'll just try it out and see how it goes. Don't know if you have those where you live, but they're a kind of a nuisance when you're trying to work outside. They like to hit you in the face. But anyways, that's what we're gonna be welding. Don't know if I'll get enough to weld those little bitty holes, but these are where some Tech screws went. So I'll put my copper backing plate on the back of these as best I can, and then we'll pop this one out and pop this one out and do the same. So this will all be tied into this brace here. I may go ahead and do this one too, get that tied in, and then if I'm feeling like I'm on a good roll, I may start welding this back here, all these holes here. And I think I'm gonna get an air hose because I'll probably weld this one and then skip down here, weld another one, and then, you know, back and forth. I don't want to weld too close together. It's afraid I might warp, but I guess we'll see. Let me set you up over here, maybe something like that, and we'll start tacking this in together. Well, I'm sure that was pretty boring, but I don't know if you noticed, but these welds didn't take at all. I think the kick pan, inner rocker was too far out, so I put a few spots down here, just on the back of the brace and the inner rocker. I know it's not how it's supposed to be, but it seems to be stuck, so I may go a little bit up here and then some over here on the outside of the brace, just to kind of make sure it's all tied in together. None of this stuck, as you can tell. I think it's too far away again. Just gonna have to push it like I did this one, and just kind of weld around the brace. It's the only thing I know to do. And you can tell I'm not a very good welder. I think some of these stuck. I looked on the back side and I saw not a burn. Well, that one didn't at all. So, but I think most of these did stick, because I looked on underneath and I seen where it penetrated through. Didn't go through the metal, but you know, got real hot. So I'm hoping that worked. But as you can probably see, I do not know how to weld. This did not go like I wanted to, but I'm not looking forward to the rest of them. Anyways, I'm kind of disappointed, so I think I'm gonna call it right here. This is stuck though. Can't pop it off. Sure, if I pull hard enough, it'll pop off though. What concerns me is I don't want this to fall apart going down the road. Guess I can take the screws out and see if this falls off, which there's a high chance that it will. But anyways, a little disappointing, but I don't know. Guess we'll see. Well, I think that'll do it for me tonight. Like I said, not happy at all, but I don't know how to weld. I'm really thinking about putting out a, I'll say post or something. See if anybody that knows how to do body work, weld and such, wants to join the channel. So apparently the person I'm trying to get to is not interested. So if y'all know of anybody that lives in Oklahoma, especially southeast, south central, and they want to join the channel about restoring cars, let me know. My email's in the about section of the page. But right now, I'm kind of over my head with this. Kind of know how it goes back together, but I don't know how to make it stay. But anyways, so it is what it is. We'll keep going. Next time we'll probably look at the braces again. Maybe tack around like I did the bottom one over here. I really need that to be tied in. But we'll continue on plugging holes. Might go on top of the back pan and start up. And maybe try to get this back pan, all the holes filled. And then we'll, I need to get this area right down here squared away where it's good and tied. I mean, this kick panel welds up to it, and then that's kind of a big, you know, I think it's a big structure point. That down there, and of course, this piece up here, or piece up here. So I need to get those right, I think. If y'all know any tips and tricks, spot weld holes, let me know. I don't, gas I'd be better. I don't have the funds for gas right now. Just kind of trying to get it going with what I got. Like I said, if you know anybody that maybe wants to join the channel, let me know. Right now I'm kind of doubting myself, but I don't know. Next time we'll keep going, trying to make them stick. But yeah, it's kind of disappointed. And I really thought I had that one down here until I just went like that and it goes pop and came up. And then I can move that one, the middle one, easy. So I know that's not secured, and I know the interrocker welds up to that. And I don't want it to be flopping as I go down the road. We'll look at it next time. Might have to, like I say, go around it a little bit better. I need to get my welding shirt. I'm gonna put holes in my shirts. We'll continue on the back pan too. Don't want to necessarily do anything with this front pan just yet. So I gotta put the kick panel on it, but we'll get there eventually. But anyways, if you made it this far, thank you. I post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Usually something on the Bronco. We're gonna keep rolling with it until we get it done. I keep on saying we need to turn the Healy over and start the Camaro. Hopefully shoot some short videos over that. But anyways, please like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.